Hello everyone, welcome to our video about wolves. Wolves are fascinating animals that have captured the human imagination for centuries. In this video, we're going to explore some of the most interesting facts about wolves and learn more about these amazing creatures. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family Canidae, with males weighing around 80 to 100 pounds 36 to 45 kilograms and females weighing around 60 to 80 pounds 27 to 36 kilograms. They have a thick, shaggy coat that helps them stay warm in cold weather. Their coat can come in a range of colors, including gray, black, white, and brown. Wolves have powerful jaws and sharp teeth designed for tearing meat. They also have a keen sense of smell and excellent hearing. Wolves are found in a wide range of habitats, including forests, grasslands, tundra, and deserts. They are also found in various parts of the world, including North America, Europe, and Asia. Historically, wolves were found throughout much of North America, but their range has been greatly reduced due to habitat loss and hunting. Today, they can be found in parts of the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Wolves are highly social animals and live in family groups known as packs. These packs are led by an alpha male and female, who are the only ones to mate and produce offspring. Wolves communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, including howls, barks, growls, and whines. They also use body language, such as tail and ear positions, to convey messages. Wolves are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain. They primarily hunt large ungulates such as deer, elk, and moose, but they will also eat smaller animals like rabbits and rodents if they are available. Wolves are known for their endurance and can run for long distances at a steady pace. They also have a strong sense of territoriality and will defend their pack's territory from other wolves. Wolves are often depicted as vicious and dangerous, but in reality, they are generally shy and cautious around humans. However, they can become more aggressive if they feel threatened or if their territory is encroached upon. Wolves typically mate for life and form strong bonds with their partners. Alpha pairs are the only ones in the pack to mate and produce offspring. Breeding typically occurs once a year, with a litter size ranging from 1 to 11 pups. The pups are born blind and helpless and rely on their parents and other pack members for care. As the pups grow, they are taught essential survival skills, such as hunting and socializing, by the other members of the pack. Wolves play a crucial role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. As apex predators, they help regulate prey populations, preventing overgrazing and promoting a balanced ecosystem. Research has shown that the presence of wolves in ecosystems can also have positive impacts on the physical environment, such as reducing erosion and improving soil quality. Wolves are considered a keystone species, meaning they have a disproportionately large impact on their environment relative to their population size. Removing them from an ecosystem can have cascading effects on the entire ecosystem. In addition to their ecological importance, wolves have cultural significance for many indigenous and traditional communities around the world. However, wolves have faced significant threats to their survival, including habitat loss, hunting, and persecution. Conservation efforts, such as habitat protection and reintroduction programs, are essential for ensuring their long-term survival. These amazing animals are a vital part of many ecosystems and have an important place in human culture. We hope you enjoyed learning more about wolves today. Thanks for watching.